Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Doordash announces portable benefit saving program for Dashers in Pennsylvania. Welcome, guys. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. We got a new Doordash update straight from the Doordash newsroom on the Doordash website. If you a Dasher, I highly encourage that you head over to the Doordash website, click on newsroom, check out all the announcements, because as a Dasher, it's very important that we stay up to date on what's going on. Shout out to all the Dashers out there in Pennsylvania. If you are in Pennsylvania, I need you to do me a favor. Hit that like button and the subscribe button. Stop playing with me. Now, this is a first of its kind pilot program launched with the support of Governor Josh Shapiro, and it will give eligible Pennsylvania Dashers access to support for expense related to health insurance, retirement, and PTO. That's kind of good. So let's go ahead and read on a little bit more. We are proud to announce a first of its kind initiative to establish a portable benefit saving program for Dashers through a 6-month pilot in Pennsylvania. So they're gonna have a program, and it's gonna be a savings program that allows you to provides you benefits, kind of like a healthcare spending account. This is what it's sounding like initially. Let's read on. Expenses covered under this program will include retirement savings, health, dental, vision insurance, and PTO. Like I said, that sounds very similar to a FSA or a healthcare spending account. If you familiar with that from our traditional W-2 jobs, they tend to offer something similar. So this is a big deal and a great thing for Dashers in Pennsylvania. Let's read on. We know that more people than ever are looking to supplement their traditional jobs and responsibilities with the opportunities to earn extra income that moves them closer to their financial goal. Many people who choose to earn with DoorDash value being able to balance dashing with other responsibilities. In fact, the average Dasher spends less than 4 hours per week on delivery. They must be talking about in Pennsylvania, because if you watch this channel, you putting in them hours and you probably clocking in 30 to 40 active hours per week, and your actual dash time might look like 50 to 55 hours. Let me know in the comments below, what's your current dash time and what's your current active time on the DoorDash platform for this week. And the vast majority of Dashers have other sources of income or responsibilities that already provide them with access to benefits, like retirement, savings, or health. Now, that may be true in a lot of situations, but a lot of us are full-time out here in this gig economy and we don't have any benefits. So if you're in Pennsylvania, this could be a big plus for you. However, workers shouldn't be forced to choose between employment with benefits or flexible work without them. A promising approach is the concept of portable benefits, which will allow independent contractors like Dashers to receive extra savings for those benefits, traditionally only available through employment with support from companies. So this pilot, which will run from April through September of 2024, provides eligible Dashers in the Keystone State with the funds for these important benefits without sacrificing the independence that defines this kind of work. DoorDash's new pilot program for Pennsylvania Dashers is a possible step forward, as it can give Pennsylvania workers greater access to benefits, said Governor Josh Shapiro of Pennsylvania. My administration looks forward to seeing the results of the program, and we will continue working to protect and expand the rights of all workers. He goes on to say, we believe that everyone deserves access to choice and security when it comes to how they want to work. This is actually from Tony Shute of DoorDash. We're proud that dashing has helped millions of people achieve greater financial security, but we know that outdated rules have meant that there are trade-offs for those who dash more consistently, i.e. the people who watch this channel, we're putting in them active hours, and they may be missing out on important benefits. Instead of settling for the way that it has been done, we can continue to try new things and expand the safety net in ways that provide flexibility and security. I'm proud to partner with Governor Shapiro to bring portable benefits to Pennsylvania Dashers. I hope this program will provide Dashers with an example of how they can better meet the unique needs of those who do this kind of work. Through the portable benefits platform Stride, participants can allocate their portable benefit savings to eligible categories most relevant to them, as well as access to helpful information about benefits and offering. Next, let's get into some of the specifics about the program. Pennsylvania Dashers who earn at least $1,000 in the second quarter of the year without tips, so this is all base pay, through the platform will be eligible to open a Stride savings account and receive deposits from their portable benefit savings. For the duration of the pilot, participating Dashers will receive deposits equal to 4% of their pre-tip earnings. Participating Dashers will also be able to contribute personal funds as well, and the account and all funds will remain portable to them.
DoorDash has long been a champion for advocating for innovative solutions that protect the flexibility we know Dashers overwhelmingly value, while expanding the strengthening and access to meaningful benefits and protection. We've partnered with leading organizations to improve
Shout out to Pennsylvania. Shout out to the governor for helping implement this new program that's going to be beneficial to the Dashers out there in Pennsylvania. And shout out to you for clicking on this video. Look, I hope this information finds you well. Let me know what you think about this new program that's going to be available as a pilot for the Dashers in the Pennsylvania area. Let me know, are you going to be taking advantage of it? Let me know if you think it's a good idea, a bad idea. Let me know if you don't care. All of that in the comments below. But before you get up out of here, do me one quick favor. Hit that like button and the subscribe button and watch one of these other videos as well.